Good morning. This is your chance to forget the coffee for 15 minutes. We're going to wake your body up the way it actually wants to wake up from the inside. So take a seat and let's begin. So come to sit tall through the spine, palms gently placed onto your knees or your thighs, and take a deep breath in through the nose, filling the lungs, and exhale, letting everything go. Let's take one more just like that, inhaling, filling the belly like a balloon, and exhale through the nose, dropping into the present moment and into your body. On the next inhale, we reach both arms high, feeling the whole body lengthening to the sky. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus the arms, looking up. And on the same breath, rounding forward, almost hugging, reaching for someone in front of you. Inhale to reach high, lengthening the spine. Exhale to cactus, find a back bend, and then reaching in front of you, protracting the shoulders. Inhale to reach. Exhale to cactus, bending at the arms, lifting the gaze and the chest, and then reaching forward, rounding the spine. Beautiful. Hands placed back on the knees. And then let's shift our way over to tabletop. Hands find the mat. Checking your alignment here. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, we drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, we round the spine, chin dropping to chest. Keep that moving with your breath, really feeling into the spine, allowing your body to move exactly as it needs to move this morning. Moving with the breath, never forgetting that it is there. And just dropping into the present moment, moving slowly, intentionally. Coming back to neutral now, and then let's walk our fingertips forwards, finding puppy pose as we melt our chest down to the earth. Chin can come down to the mat or forehead if that feels better for you. Allowing our hips to raise towards the sky. Really spreading our fingertips, pressing down into the mat. And again, breathing here. Noticing where maybe you're holding tension and where that tension is releasing in this pose. On the next inhale, let's gently raise up, walking our hands back underneath our shoulders. Okay, so this is where we start to build a little heat. This is where our caffeine kick comes in this morning. On your next exhale, extend your left leg out behind you. Inhale to tap the toes to the floor and exhale to lift. Inhale to tap. Exhale to lift to the sky, really extending the leg. And now find your 3-point yogi push-up, lowering the chest and chin to the floor. And then one strong, slow push back up. Beautiful. Let's find those lift and lowers again. 3 lowers and lifts with the breath in your own time. And then again, finding your 3-point yogi push-up. Keeping elbows close to the ribs, chin to the floor, and then exhale to lift. One more round. Lifting the back leg, keeping it extended and long, pointing those toes. And then again, one yogi push-up, nice and strong, lifting the toes to the sky. Dropping that knee, and then let's come to the other side, extending right toes to the back of the mat, lifting on the exhale. Inhale to drop, exhale to lift. Good. One more. Inhale to tap, exhale to lift, shifting forward now, coming into your yogi push-up. Good. Let's find that 2 more times, moving with the breath. Extending the toes, staying lifted, engaging the core, and then finding another push-up, elbows grazing the ribs. One more round of these. This is doing so much more for you right now than any espresso shot could, so keep it moving with intention, staying strong. final push-up, lifting high, and then dropping the knee back to tabletop. Knees, chest, and chin on the exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra, lifting the chest, tuck the toes, and send the hips high for downward facing dog on the exhale. So good. Let's bend one knee and then the other as we pedal out the feet, finding length in the backs of our legs. Let's reach back with the left hand to the right ankle, pulling ourselves through, lifting the gaze to the sky underneath our arm, finding a nice stretch here. And then releasing, coming back to downward facing dog, and then let's find the other side, right hand to the outside of your left ankle, pulling yourself through, gaze under the body. Exhale to release, coming back to downward facing dog. Bend the knees, shift the gaze forward, and step two behind your hands. Inhale, we halfway lift. Exhale, we fold forward, bend the knees, lifting high, reaching to the sky, palms together, and then hands through heart center, coming into Tadasana, mountain pose. Let's keep that energy going with some sun salutations. On the next inhale, lifting the arms above the head. Exhale to fold forward, melting the chest to the thighs. Inhale, halfway lift, extend the spine. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to plank chaturanga. Good. Inhale to lift, upward facing dog, thighs are off the mat. And then exhale, rolling over the toes, sending the hips high for downward facing dog. Taking a moment here to reset, breathe, notice your body, notice how a little bit of movement can help so much with energizing you in the morning. And bending the knees, shifting the gaze forward, stepping to the top of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, bending at the knees, reaching arms above the head. Exhale, we forward fold again, finding another sun salutation. Inhale, extend the spine, lifting the gaze. Exhale, plant the palms, step back or jump back to chaturanga this time. Inhale, lift the chest, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, finding that resting yet still active position. Checking in with the breath, with the body. Pressing through your palms and every single fingertip. Allowing your heels to drop down towards the mat. Good, bend the knees, shift the gaze forward on the inhale, halfway lift at the top of the mat. Exhale to melt it forward. And then inhale, root to rise, reaching arms all the way above the head. Fingertips come together, palms together. Exhale, one more round of sun salutations as we fold forward. Inhale, extend the spine. Plant the palms, step back to plank chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest, pulling shoulder blades together, gaze to the sky. Exhale, hips to the sky, rolling over the feet, downward facing dog. Breathing here for one final moment of stillness before we move on. Coming back to the breath, to this present moment this morning. This is so energizing, and I know you're going to be feeling so amazing after we practice. Bend the knees on the next inhale, step to the top of the mat and halfway lift. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale, root to rise once more, reaching palms high above the head, connecting them together. Exhale, we forward fold, melting down. Inhale, halfway lift, extend the spine. Exhale, jump back to plank, and then come straight into downward facing dog, sending the hips high. Inhale, a right leg comes behind you for three-legged dog, pointing the toes, really lifting the toes high. And then as we lift them higher and higher, we can gently stack the hips and drop the knee, dropping heel to the glute and bending the knee. Now let's start to circle the hip, really big, generous circles, drawing the knee around. In the bigger circle, you can create opening it wide. A few rounds in each direction, so let's change directions if you haven't already. Finding 3 big, juicy circles and breathing into the space. Let's step that foot forward into low lunge, back knee drops down, reaching the arms high overhead, dropping into the hips. Let's drop the right fingertips to the side of the body and then stretch up and over with the left fingertips, feeling a beautiful stretch through the whole of the left side of the body. Inhale to reach both hands back up, tuck the back toes and lift up to crescent lunge. We're getting a little creative here as we drop our left hand to the mat, coming into an easy twist as we lift up with the right arm, gaze to the sky, breathing here. And then with fluidity, let's raise up into a twisted lunge, both arms wide. We'll drop the right hand down onto the back of the thigh. Left arm reaches high for a nice back bend here, breathing into the space you're creating. And then coming into Skandasana at the front of the mat, twisting on through, keeping the spine lengthened and extended, left toes pointing to the sky, really dropping the hips. You have an option of keeping your hands on the mat to help you stay lifted or hands in prayer. And when you're ready, drop the glutes down to the floor to come to a seated position, lifting right arms up and over for a beautiful side bend. We're reaching long, we're not collapsing through the spine, staying lifted, pulling our chest through to try and face the sky. And just breathing here, taking a moment. Lifting back up, dropping right hand behind the body, and then let's lift the hips. Right arm reaches up and overhead. Exhale to come back down, shifting back to the front of the mat and lifting a right knee to nose as we come to high plank. Gently stepping back to plank now, exhale to chaturanga, inhale, upward facing dog, pulling the chest forward, exhale, shifting the hips high, downward facing dog. Let's find the same on the left side. Inhale to lift the left toes to the sky, reaching up, stacking the hips, and then bending the knee as we bring the heel to the glute. Let's find those big, juicy hip circles, circling the hip in one direction for 3 rounds, moving with the breath. Being so intentional with every circle you draw, reversing the circle for 3, 2, and final 1, coming into stillness, and then knee to nose, step it on through, dropping the back knee, low lunge. Inhale to lift the fingertips to the sky, sinking hips down, dropping the left fingers to the mat this time, reaching up and over for a side bend on the right hand side, gaze under the arm. Inhale, hands back high, tucking the back toe and lifting to crescent lunge. Let's find an easy twist, dropping right hand to the mat. Gaze goes to the sky, keeping the back quad engaged and lifted, keeping the spine lengthened. Inhale to lift, finding a twisted lunge. And then exhale as we drop the back hand, reaching up and over with the right, finding a nice, delicious back bend and breathing into that. From here, you know where we're going. Let's twist on through to Skandasana at the front of the mat. Again, choosing your option, hands in prayer, keeping the chest lifted and spine extended, or hands down to the floor. Let's drop our glutes down to the mat, finding our nice side bend on the other side. Spiraling our chest to the sky, gaze under the arm, really lifting and extending and enjoying that beautiful stretch in the side of our body. Inhale to lift it high, planting the palm behind you, lifting the hips, sending the right arm reaching behind you, and then palms to the front of the mat, lifting knee to nose, protracting the shoulders, stepping to plank. And then from here, let's send our hips straight into downward facing dog. The final downward facing dog of practice, taking one full breath here, and then gently walking the feet to the top of the mat, finding ragdoll, hands to each opposite elbow, maybe swaying the spine left to right, letting everything go for one last time, letting the head hang heavy and the neck release. Let's come back to center, dropping the palms, and then one vertebra at a time. Let's slowly roll all the way up. The final thing to rise is the head. Coming to standing, reaching the arms high above the head. Final back bend, hands through heart center in front of your body. Taking a moment now to feel grounded. Crown reaching high, shoulders are soft. Let's take one more deep breath in through the nose, filling the lungs. And exhale, let everything go. Congratulations, you've just created your own real energy without any crash, without any jitters, just you awake and alive in your body. Thank you so much for such a beautiful practice. I will see you next time.